Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The compound contains a benzene ring as the parent chain, so it will be named as a benzoate or benzene derivative. Moving on to the next step. Position 1, ChO 3, methyl ester methoxycarbonyl group, which makes the parent name methyl benzoate. Position 2, ortho to ester no 2 nitro group. Position 4, para to ester ChO 3 acetyl group. Moving on to the next step. Apply IUPAC nomenclature rules for naming esters with substituents. The principal characteristic group is the carboxylic acid ester, so the compound is named as a derivative of methyl benzoate. The ring carbon-bearing ChO 3 is C1. And for the final step, number the ring to give lowest locants to substituents. C1, ChO 3, reference carbon. C2, No2, ortho position. C4, ChO 3, para position. Parent methyl benzoate. Substituents in alphabetical order with locants, 4-acetyl, from ChO 3 at C4 and 2-nitro, from No2 at C2. Full name, methyl 4-acetyl 2-nitrobenzoate. The acetyl group at position 4 and nitro group at position 2 relative to the ester-bearing carbon are consistent with the structure drawn. Therefore, the correct answer is methyl 4-acetyl 2-nitrobenzoate. The correct answer is shown on screen.